The total cost of the construction of the Mpudzi interchange in Harare, now renamed Trabablas interchange, was 140 million US dollar, a 32% overrun on the initial budget of 88 million. Finance Minister Mthuli Ncube told the National Assembly on Wednesday, Sarabina mashoko panoonekwa kuti Mthuli Ncube oshoka aiwa vanhu after reveal the real cost yet the Trabablas interchange. Don't subscribe or like it on the bell icon. The government raised the 88 million through a loan from Fossil Mines, a local company with links to business tycoon Udakwashita Pure. Now Ncube has admitted that a further 26 million was sunk in the project from the IMF's Special Drawings Right, SDR, responding to a question by Luveve MP Decent Bajila. Ncube told MPs the cost of Trabablas interchange was driven by our initial loan arrangement of the order of 88 million US dollar, which was provided by the consortium of contractors. In terms of what we used from the special drawing rights, we were required to pay a deposit of 26 million. So we used 26 million from the SDR to pay that deposit, and then the rest was structured as a loan from the 88 million arrangement. So we blended both the SDR and the loans from the contractors. I think it is fair to say that the product that you see at Trabablas is a world-class product. It is money well spent. It took time, but here we are with a world-class piece of infrastructure. I think it would be advisable for this house to support the government to replicate the quality infrastructure in other parts of Harare where it is needed, but also in other cities across the country. The revelation led to intense questioning from Citizen Coalition for Change MPs, who said Ncube should have sought Parliament's condonation over the budget overrun. Dagamvura Chikanka MP Prosper Mutseyami demanded that Ncube should explain what caused the additional 26 million, bearing in mind that the 88 million had been budgeted to cover the whole construction of the interchange. Ndo mashoko ari kubuda panguva ino aiwa vanhu vachimuka aiwa vachisangana neeshoko aiwa on Wednesday vachinzwa aiwa zvinotaurwa panguva ino na the Minister of Finance after kuonekwa kunzi people vanga vagara vasikatowirirani ne88 million. This additional 26 million yakutaurwa panguva ino yaita kuti vanhu vanyatsokanda mapfumo pasi vaona kuti aiwa tiri kurwa zvedu pasi petsoka. Pinangome section medu mbotudza mafungiro enyu motikudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinangome section medu musama subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.